Welcome back, builders. Yeah. All right. So y'all seen in the last video, Frank got his header in and we got the throttle body. Good news is today at some point we should have the, well, it'll be Monday, I'm sorry. Monday we'll have the Flash Pro in, so we'll get the throttle body put on. But for right now, we're just going to put the header on. We're gonna see how it sounds. Wait on the throttle body. We'll do a before and after clip on the exhaust, you know, just kind of give you an idea how it sounds before. So the car is all stock except for the muffler right here. It's a Mugen style exhaust. I pulled off another Civic years ago. So yeah, check out this clip, tell me what you think. All right, Mr. Frank, fire this thing up. We already got the cowl off because you can reach the top exhaust manifold bolts a little bit easier. All right. This is your before. Nice deep idle. All right, and we'll do the after here in just a moment. All right, a little bit of fighting. We got the stock stuff all off. Frank's just kind of lining some bolts up in that now. Pretty simple. I think this is going to work the way we need it to because we lowered the subframe. Turn this on. Just on the bolts, loosen everything in the front. That way we get the stock manifold out. We're about to do a placement on the header now and see if it's going to fit up in there.
Let's give it a good old try, baby.
Now you gotta move. Can't go in more of an angle.
I got you. I'm just trying to keep it up the gasket.
Yeah, we'll fight that once we get it in there. I gotta get past this harness. There we go. Past the shift link edge. It's a squeeze, guys. This would have been much better to do when we had it all out. And, you know, we didn't have it and we didn't know.
The fudge.
There we
yeah,
go.
Baby.
A little bit of wedging. K2 knows what they're doing.
Hold it right now.
I'll hold it right here. All right, guys, I just kind of want to show you the process real quick, and we'll get back to that sound clip here in a second, I guess. Check out some shots of this thing down in there. Oh, my headlight sucks. The fitment's amazing. Who was that again? K2 knew what they were doing. Know these cars well. He's been driving it for what? About a week now. About 2 weeks. No issues. Been quite good. Just topping it off with oil, making sure all that's good. Just a touch low. Move the rack out of the way. Oh, the rack didn't like that. Said no. What's that?
That car has a downstream.
Oh, I'm sure it does.
Remember, gently twist your oil cap on and put a little.
See the little subtle thing? Most folks won't even see this, but you know, that accurate ample.
That's where it's at, player.
You gotta put your cowl on before you shut the hood. All right.
You wanna hear it?
You wanna hear it? You wanna check it out? You wanna hear it?
Let's give it all. Let's give it all two.
All right, this is the old fire up here. Again, use your muffler. All that carbon ain't been blowing out of there. All right, we'll take this thing for a rip and we'll see how it does. I hope this picks it up on the camera, guys. This thing sounds a lot better. track.
Where? You tell me where. What's in there, dude?
It's in front of that van. I can hear the rattle in the back. It's just the way it kind of angled it down. I'm about to do some hanger work in the back, guys. Sorry about the beeping. Frank does not like to wear seatbelts.
There ain't no law like that out in Mexico. Y'all gotta start telling Dave these things, bro. In Mexico, there's no seatbelt law.
That's true. We can do what we want.
This isn't America. As you can see, all these cars are pouring the shit. These cars, look.
Hey, what is that? We don't have that. That's an Isuzu. That's an Isuzu truck. There's two Isuzus sitting over there. They're all Isuzu. That's an Isuzu van. I ain't never seen one in my life. Isuzu Soul. That's crazy. It's a Mas Grande car manufacturer.
This guy. Your Drax and slumps.
Drax, them, sklunks. Thanks, Key and Peel. Sunlight, y'all blinded.